Hello criminology community. Once again, welcome sa ating mini vlog. So mag-share na naman ako ng information na related sa criminology na malay nyo, di ba? Maaari nyong magamit kapag ka nag-take na kayo ng licensure examination. So yung topic natin ngayon will be the appointing authorities of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, or mas kilala nyo to sa acronym na BJMP. Okay? But before pala tayong mag-dive right into the topic, pag-usapan muna natin or i-refresh muna natin yung regarding sa rank classification ng BJMP. Kasi nakadepende sa ranggo kung sino ang magiging appointing authority ng personnel. So kaya kailangan balikan muna natin yung sa rank classification. So yung tungkol sa rank classification ng BJMP ay makikita nyo po yan sa Section 64 ng Republic Act Number 6975, or mas kilala dun sa kanyang short title na Department of the Interior and Local Government Act of 1990. So dun yung makikita yun yung legal basis ng rank classification ng BJMP. Okay, so nag-uumpisa ang ranggo ng jail personnel natin sa, of course, Jail Officer 1, Jail Officer 2, Jail Officer 3, Senior Jail Officer 1 to 4, Jail Inspector, Jail Senior Inspector, Jail Chief Inspector, Jail Superintendent, Jail Senior Superintendent, Jail Chief Superintendent, and finally, yung pinakamataas na ranggo sa Jail Bureau is yung Jail Director. Okay? So now, balik na tayo doon sa ating topic, yung appointing authority ng BJMP or authorities ng BJMP. So meron po tayong apat po yung ating appointing authorities sa BJMP. Okay, that is in accordance with the amendatory law of the RA number 6975, yung RA number 9263. Okay? So yung apat na yon ay una, yung regional director ng BJMP. Okay? Of course, ang ikalawa natin is yung Chief BJMP. Okay, si Chief BJMP. Ikatlo, yung Secretary ng Department of the Interior and Local Government, si DILG Secretary. And finally, of course, ang ating Presidente. So, apat po sila. Si Regional Director, si Chief BJMP, si DILG Secretary, tsaka si Presidente. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin. Take note, kapag ang ranggo mo ay Jail Officer 1 hanggang sa ranggong Senior Jail Officer 4, ang appointing authority mo dyan, posibleng dalawa. Okay? So, posibleng dalawa. Nakadepende na lang po yan kung saan naka-assign yung jail personnel. Okay? So, pag ang ranggo mo, Jail Officer 1 to Senior Jail Officer 4, tapos ikaw ay naka-assign sa regional office o belong ka sa regional office, ang magiging appointing authority mo dyan, si Regional Director. Okay? So kapag ka naman ang ranggo mo ay Jail Officer 1 to Senior Jail Officer 4, tapos ikaw naman ay personnel ng National Headquarters. Okay? Ang magiging appointing authority mo dyan is of course the Chief BJMP. Okay? So nakadepende po kung saan ka naka-assign sa madaling salita. Okay? Kapag ang ranggo mo naman ay Jail Inspector hanggang sa Jail Superintendent. Okay? Kapag ang ranggo mo Jail Inspector, Jail Senior Inspector, Jail Chief Inspector, tapos Jail Superintendent, ang magiging appointing authority mo dyan ay si Chief BJMP na. regardless kung ikaw ay personnel ng region or ng national. Okay? Basta pag yun na yung ranggo mo, siya na ang magiging appointing authority mo, si Chief BJMP. Kapag ka ang ranggo mo naman ay Jail Senior Superintendent, Jail Senior Superintendent, ang magiging appointing authority mo na dyan ay ang Secretary ng Department of the Interior and Local Government, si DILG Secretary na. So tandaan nyo, yun lang ang ranggo na ina-appoint ng DILG Secretary, ang Jail Senior Superintendent. Okay? And finally, kapag ang ranggo mo naman ay Jail Chief Superintendent at Jail Director, ang magiging appointing authority mo na dyan ay walang iba kundi ang Presidente ng Pilipinas. Di ba madali lang?